Hello dear student. Welcome to all DAB Moil Public School Sitasawangi in e-learning classes. I am your computer teacher. This is standard 4th. Our today's topic is exploring a tux paint. In this chapter we will discuss about to develop a creative skill using tux paint and develop and appreciate environmental ethics through stories. So let's go further. Now I will show you two friends. One name is Dobo and another name is Tobo. They will work on a tux paint. Let's see what they talk. So Dobo says, I can see two tools in toolbar, magic and stamp. What are they for? Is it something to do poster stamps that I collect? Magic seems very interesting. Can we create magic through tux paint? Then Tobo says, no, not at all. There are two most interesting tools of the toolbox. That is, which one is magic and another one is stamp tool. Let's discuss about the magic tools. The magic tools logo is next of the tool text. Let's see. The selectors bars offer several magical effects. Some of these effects are listed below. Let's see first magical effects. So first one is blind magic tools. Blind magic effect. This effect when selected creates a blind in the desired area. The blinds can be pulled down or across on the pictures or desired area. So the use of blind effects are, there are some following steps you need to follow that to use the blind tools. So step 1, click on the magic tool from the toolbar. Step 2, from the selectors bar choose a blind tool options. Then third, put the cursor on the drawing canvas from where you want to pull the blinds and drag the mouse. And by using the blind effects, I will show the image of the using blind effects. Using blind effects, magic effects. Okay. Now another one is effect, a blur effect. This is also magical effects. Let's see how it works. Below blind, you will find a blur tab. This effect is used to make a picture or part of a picture is blur. Now use a blur effect. These are following steps. Step 1, click on the magic tool from the toolbar. And second, from the selectors bar choose the blur tool options. And the third, drag the cursor on the picture which you want to blur. In the image we see the using blur magic effects. Now last, third one is brick effect. This is also a magical effect. This effect is used to draw or create a brick pattern. The brick walls can be designed by using these options. Now to use these brick effects, these are following steps. Step 1, click the magic tools from the toolbars. Second, go to the selector bar, choose brick, small or large option. And third, put the cursor on the canvas and draw the desired patterns. Using the brick effects, I will show you the image. This image shows how we use the brick effects. But note, there are two brick magic effects. One with a small size brick and another one is the large size brick, which is shown in the images. Okay. Now fourth is a calligraphy effect. On selecting these options, a smooth brush gets activated. Now use the calligraphy effects. You have to use the calligraphy effects. You need to follow some steps. Step 1, click the magic tool from the toolbars. Step 2, go to the selector bars, choose a calligraphy effect options. And third, put the cursor on the canvas and start writing. So I will show the image of the tux paint, the calligraphy effects. Let's see the fifth effect, that is drip magic effect. This effect makes a part of the pictures look like it's dripping away. So it has some few steps to use it. So step 1, click the magic tool from the toolbar. Then second, go to the select bar and choose the print option. And then put the cursor on the canvas on the area where you want to see the drift effect. Now, Tobo says, just like magic tool, we have another tool called stamp tool. Then Tobo says, please tell me about the stamp tool. Tobo says, sure, listen carefully. Let's see, another tool is a stamp tool. A stamp tool is like a ready-made sticker available in a TuxPaint. Then a step to use stamp tools. Step 1. Click the stamp tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Go to the selector bar. You will find many stamps available in this bar. Choose any one of them. And third step, put the cursor on the canvas where you want to insert stamp and click the mouse. When we use a stamp tool, it's a short notes to keep. That is, direction of a stamp can be changed by clicking on the icon. And size of a stamp can be increased or decreased by clicking the desired icon. And third, there can be various categories of stamps like animal, plants, outer space, vehicles, peoples, etc. Use the left and right arrows to view collection. So these are the stamp tools. Now I am telling you a short story by using a magic tool and a stamp tool. Let's go. Then Tobo says, Dobo, come here, let me show you my story book that I created by using TuxPaint. Once upon a time, was brought in a village. We will see in the images. And farmer hoped for rain every day. And he started praying to the rain god. Next day it rained, quenching the thirst of dry fields. Now the flower bloomed after rain. All danced and enjoyed. So moral of the story is hope never dies. So this was a story which is made by using the TuxPaint. Okay. In this video we will discuss about the magical effect and tap stamps tool of TuxPaint. Thank you. Have a nice day.